Okay, in this video we're checking out another little mini plane glider. It's a little toy glider. Comes in this nice little styrofoam packaging. Very simple. It's like 20 bucks. So you get the plane and you get a simple controller. And the controller is really simple, just throttle control up and down. You have high-low rates here, power on button, and then you have yaw trim on top here, right yaw trim and left yaw trim over here, and then on the right stick is just right and left. You have two motors here, basically left and right turns, and a small 1S battery on the bottom with an on-off switch. This is probably best for not flying in any kind of wind, so right now it's pretty calm, and so should be okay for these conditions, and we'll see how this flies in this really small space in front of my garage. So go ahead and turn the plane on first, and we'll see a little flashing red light there. Go ahead and turn the controller on, and then bind by throttling all the way up and down. Hear a long beep, and it should turn solid. It should have motor control. And let's go ahead and take this off. So everything looks like it's lined up. It looks like it's got a little bit of a bend in the fuselage. You're supposed to bend the tail to make it pitch up and down, and maybe also control the yaw. It's made of EPP foam, so it's pretty durable. Shouldn't have any issues with crashing. But let's go ahead and let's just toss it here and see how it flies. Just free flight. Okay, so not too bad. It did pitch up a little bit. Probably means that the tail is the tail of the elevator in the back is a little bit up, so I'm going to bend it down just a little bit. You want to try and keep it level without any power. Alright, see how that goes. Still pitching up a little bit. So I'm going to try and actually toss it, and then I'll give it power and see what it does. Toss it. Yeah, it's way too much up elevator. Either that or we need some more nose weight. Yeah, so we need to be able to force the nose down. So I want to be careful I don't break the tail off. If this doesn't work, then we probably need to add a little bit of weight in the nose. Alright. Alright, let's try this one more time. Toss it. It does definitely still pitches up a lot. But it's actually not too bad. It definitely can handle a lot of abuse. Yeah, I think it might add a little bit of nose weight because it has this, it wants to keep nosing up. But I'm not sure how good this will be when it's heavy. Yeah, it's got a porpoise there. So it's still flyable with the nose kind of pointing up there. Not too bad. Yeah, I think the batteries are already starting to go. It's losing a little bit of power. Oops. Okay, so that's going to do it for this video. Yeah, it definitely could take a lot of abuse, crashes, and not a problem. So it'll be good for kids. I think I might need a little bit of modification. I think a little bit of nose weight will help, but it's still fairly flyable in a simple setup here in a small area, obviously with no wind. Yeah, if you guys are interested in checking it out, the link in the description. It's like 20 bucks, pretty good deal for trying out for RC for your kids. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video.